Rachel here. Welcome back to Travels of a Single Lady. Sorry this one's been a long time coming. I've been away. Those vlogs will be also coming soon. For today, here is Bergen. I'm going to keep it short. This was going to be the last one in the series, but I've got enough footage to do another one after this, so this is part 6. Sit back, relax, enjoy.
So we're in the last port of call today. We are in Bergen. I've got another tour booked at 10 o'clock, so I'm going to head down there now. This is what I've chosen to wear today. Everybody that I've read online has said that Bergen's quite often the rainy port. We did have rain in Olden yesterday, and actually this morning's really sunny and nice. So I'm looking forward to it. It's only a 2.5 hour trip today. Going up the funicular and for some beautiful views. I've managed to throw my back out, which is great. Started getting some muscly twinges last night, and it's quite sore this morning, so hopefully I'm going to be okay. When I get back on board the ship later on, I'm going to head to the Loyalty and Future Cruise Sales desk. I've spotted when all the new cruises have gone on general release or pre-register for 2020. I'm not cruising next year because I'm going to see Charlie instead, but I'm going to go and see what they've got, what offers they can do me for my big 3-0 the year after. Terrifying, I know, but we'll see what they can do. Hopefully I can get a good deal and either do America or Monte Carlo. The one I've seen at the moment is for the Canary Islands in August 2020 or September 2020, but we'll see what they can do. So I'm going to head off now and I will see you later. Oh, so this is my ticket.
I have very good news and a very bad news for you today. My name is Romain. I will begin with very bad news. I'm French, so I'm sorry about that. I hope you will understand me anyway. And the very good news is you will have a very lovely day today in Bergen because it's not raining first. That's the very good reason. And today on the weather forecast they say only out, meaning uncommonly warm. So enjoy. It's like around 22, 23 degrees Celsius. So it's for this day of the year it's quite uncommon. So the program of today is quite simple. We will begin with a city sightseeing with the bus, with the coach, and afterwards we will drive to the funicular and take the funicular up the Montreuil. We have a very beautiful view over the city, down again and back to the ship with the bus. So it's quite easy. I will begin by giving you the funicular tickets. Be very careful not to lose them because they are valid for one way and return. So if you lose them, you will stay up there forever. Would be a shame, right? So be careful. And as soon as we need that, we go. Okay? Perfect. So Bergen today is the second largest city in Norway, just after the capital city, which is Oslo, in the eastern part of the city. And Bergen is the capital of the western part of the city, so it's not the capital of the whole country, but it's the capital of this part of the country. It's also, we call Bergen the capital of the fjords area, because Bergen is situated between the two main fjords of Norway, the Hardangerfjord in the south and Sognefjord in the north. Bergen has a bit less than 300,000 inhabitants today, and Oslo, in comparison, Oslo has around 800,000 inhabitants. So you see, you have your ship docked, and also today, I don't know why, but you have the Hurtigruten there. The Hurtigruten is a very famous cruise ship in Norway. It was formerly a public service, strolling along the coast and stopping in every small harbour of the coast in order to, at the beginning, deliver mail and goods. But just there to the left. The view is there, and we will meet here at 12:05, so in 25 minutes. Okay, 12:05 here. Okay. If you have questions, I'm in the area as well, so you can ask.
Why did they keep having fires?
Sorry?
Why did they keep having fires?
Because the whole city was in wood.
Oh my god, there's a goat. Let's go and see the goat. The goat is cute. Hello. I've not got anything. No. Hey.
Oh, you're such a poser.
Hey. Oh, you're cute. Nice. So nice. Hey. You're beautiful. Pretty. So tame.
From the early 20th century, and the original house is the red and green one there on the right hand side. And also on the right hand side, these brick buildings, they are what we call the New Bryggen, so the Nybryggen in Norwegian. And they were built at the beginning of the 20th century, between 1903 and 1912. And they replaced half of the old Bryggen. So you have to imagine that the old wooden houses at the beginning, until the beginning of the 20th century, they would come up to the Hanseatic Museum. So it was a very, very large district. Once again on the right hand side, and you can see that all the houses are slanted, right? They are not straight, they are tilted. It's because Bryggen was built on an artificial ground through the centuries, and that's why all the houses moved with the ground. And the last 6 ones that you see here, the 2 white, 2 red, 1 yellow, 1 brown, these ones are fake ones from the 1980s. They were rebuilt after a fire in Bryggen in 1955.
Hope you enjoyed that. That was the last port day of my Fjords cruise. like, subscribe, click the notification bell if you do to be notified every time I upload. And I look forward to seeing you next time for the Great British Sail-Along party. Final formal night, sea day and getting home again. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.